Good morning students. In today's video we will learn singular and plural. Okay, singular and plural in chapter number 8 of your cornerstone book. Okay, so we know some way or the other what is singular and what is plural, right? So already we have done some singular and plural things and all. So today we will learn various types of singular and plural. First we learn some of the rules how to make a singular thing plural. Then we will learn the exceptions. What are the exceptions? We will learn in the next video. Okay, so singular and plural. Okay, so there is a word like box. Okay, so look at the word in page number 32. We will begin with the box and end the plural boxes. But the plural of ox should be oxen, not oxes. One fowl is a goose, but two are called geese. Yet the plural of moose should be never be meese. Okay, so there are many rules of changing a singular word to plural word. Okay, so the first thing is when a word ends with x, ss, ch, s. Okay, so then the plural form of the word will be ended with es, and es will be added at the end. Okay, just like box, the word box ends with x, and then when we make the plural of box, it will be boxes. Similarly, when we take the word church, church, church ends with ch. When we make the plural of church, it will be churches. Okay, bus, bus, bus ends with s, and the plural will be buses. Okay, so it is a very common thing. Okay, so box, boxes, fox, foxes, church, churches, these are all the first rule, that when a word ends with x, ss, s and ch, there will be s, es at the end of the word. But if it is one of the rules, but there are some exceptions, and we will learn the exceptions in tomorrow's video. Okay, like dogs, dogs, cats, these are all simpler and simple singular to plural things. Okay, then when it is goose. Okay, when it is goose, you know all goose means duck. Okay, so goose's past form is plural form is not gooses, but it is geese, geese, geese. Okay, but there is moose. Moose should never be meese. Moose's plural form will never be meese. There are some exceptions also. So you have to memorize some of the singular and plural forms. Okay, singular and plural form. First is box, boxes, fox, foxes, church, churches. Okay, then we have mouse. Okay, so mouse, not mouses, but mouse will be mice when it is plural form, mouse, mouse. And the plural form will be mice, mice, mice. Then the plural form of man is men, man, man. Man's plural form is men. Next, the plural form of foot, FOOT, foot. Foot means leg. Okay, foot's plural form will be feet, feet. Okay, FOOT, feet. Then tooth, TOOTH, tooth. Tooth's plural form will be teeth. So these are similar: foot, feet, tooth, teeth. Okay, these are all similar. Okay, mouse, mice, man, men, woman, woman, WOMEN, woman, woman. If you look at your book at the page number 32, you will get all the plural forms. Okay, we have to make plural words by adding several changes in the word. Plural means many. Okay, singular means one and plural means many. Suppose I am one girl, but I am a girl and there are all my friends. Okay, so I will say we are girls and s will be added. Okay, so that is how we make singular to plural. Singular means one and plural means many, more than one. Okay, so the form, there are various forms of rules in which we can, through which we can make a singular word to a plural word, right? Just like this: box, boxes, fox, foxes, goose, geese, foot, feet. But there are also some words like brother. I am a brother. Okay, brother, and we speak of a brother, and also I have many brother. So brother will also be brethren. Brethren, BROTHER, brother, and the plural form of brother is brethren, BRETHREN. You have to memorize it. Okay, there is no other way you can learn it but to memorize the rules, that how the words are changing. House, houses, table, tables, dog, dogs, cat, cats. Okay, some singular nouns form their plurals by adding s at the end, just like dogs, cats, houses, tables. Okay, some singular nouns that end with ch, sh, s, ss and x form their plurals by adding es at the end. I have already told you that box, boxes, bunch, bunches, bush, bushes, bus, buses, glass, glasses, fox, foxes. Okay, these all are common. There are another rule: some singular nouns that ends with o form their plurals by es at the end. Suppose some word is ending with o. Okay, then the plural form will be by adding es at the end, just like potato, 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 potatoes. Okay, piano, pianos, hero, heroes, and es will be added at the end. Here we have rules in page number 33 of 33. In the at the above part we have these kind of rules. So till now we have learned some kind of rules, like if a word ends with ss, sh, x, s and ch, then the plural form will be done or changed by adding es at the s at the end, like tables, houses, churches, dogs, cats, etc. Okay, no, singular form will be turned into a plural form only by adding es at the end. Churches, bushes, buses. Okay, so word ends with ch, sh, ss and x will be turned into a plural form only by adding es at the end. Second rule is, some singular forms are there which can be turned into a plural form by adding just an s at the end, like dog, dogs, cat, cats, table, tables. Okay, these are. And the third rule is, some singular nouns are there that ends with o at the end, and it will be added an es when it will turn into a plural form, just like potato, potatoes, potatos. Then hero, heroes, heroes, piano, pianos, pinoes. Okay, so these are all the things which we have to learn. So here we have completed the first three rules and some other rules like goose, geese, foot, feet, tooth, teeth. Okay, these rules. In the next day we will learn how a plural form will be converted of a word which ends with f, fe. Okay, and also y at the end. Okay, we will explain it in the next video. If you have any problem regarding this video, regarding this chapter of singular plural, please ask me. I will make it clear. Okay, till then, bye bye.